Second on our list for the mythical five from WB Sophia, Sherwin Concepcion. WB Sophia Sherwin Concepcion will receive a trophy, a flag, and of course, a 5,000 pesos. And of course, to join on our list, another one from WB Sophia, Policarpio. So ikatlo na yon. Now, on our fourth, joining the mythical five from Bistil, Zamboanga, Renz Capulong. Renz Capulong, please po. And to complete our mythical five from Bistil, Zamboanga, Markian Danag. All right, there you have it once again. Our mythical five. And now for our season MVP. Will receive a flag and a 10,000 pesos. Our season MVP is from Bistil, Zamboanga, Renz Capulong. Season MVP, Renz Capulong, will receive 10,000 pesos. And now, last but not the least, El Pinaka-Importante Award once Senegita Championship Game, El Finals MVP. Ken Gaha, El Diaton Finals MVP. Sino kaya ang ating Finals MVP? And our Finals MVP, wearing jersey number 1, Rob Tansinko!